नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं निधि सिंह द फैक्ट टाइम में आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। जानेंगे आखिर क्या है डेरा सच्चा सौदा का सच। लगातार डेरा के लोग आ रहे हैं और जुड़ रहे हैं हमारे साथ और बताते हैं आखिर क्या है डेरा सच्चा सौदा की जो असलियत है। और यहाँ पर फ्री आई कैंप लगाया गया है जिसमें लाखों लोगों को रोशनियाँ दान दे चुकी हैं अभी तक गुरुजी के द्वारा, गुरुजी की इस मुहिम के द्वारा, और लगातार ये कार्य जारी है। और आप भी यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं और अपनी जो भी सुविधा आपको यहाँ पे आके फ्री आँखें भी दान यहाँ पर आँखें भी लगाई जा रही है, उसका भी निःशुल्क फायदा उठा सकते हैं। एक ऐसी छात्रा जो कि गुरुजी के स्कूल में जाती है वो हमारी साथ क्या नाम?
My name is Swati.
डेरा से कब से?
I have been here since 4th class and I have studied here in the school only, St. Ambrose Glorious International School.
मतलब आप डेरे के स्कूल में पढ़ो, उसके बावजूद क्या देखा आपने, किस तरीके का माहौल है?
It's very clean, you know, in the other schools where you go out. It's like there are so many drugs. Especially being a girl, I want to say that it is the safest environment where you can live. Because outside in this such a, you know, there are so many crimes happening outside, but here it's like you feel safe. So, and under the guidance of Papaji, there are it's like a separate school for girls wing and separate school for boys wing. And after that you get so much of education here, fitness, everything. You get to dance and still you feel so much secure here. So that is the best part of it.
मगर मीडिया वहीं एक के बाद एक जो गुरुजी पे एक कहा जाए तो दाग लगा, क्या कहना चाहिए इसके बाद? मीडिया तो कुछ और दिखा।
I just want to say that until and unless you don't experience something, you have no right to speak on that. I have studied here since 10 years. So I have the right to speak. But people, until and unless they don't know the truth, I don't think they have the right to speak as such. You come here, you experience, and then you have the right to speak.
गुरुजी पे आरोप लगाए गए, उसके बारे में पर्सन बताएंगे।
That is what I want to say, that even girls, if they are saying that whatever, I don't even want to name whatever case they have done that. But being a girl, I just want to say that at least he's like father to us. We can't even think in that phase. So I just want to that this is the safest place. You experience and then you speak. Just one thing I want to say that. And he's like God to us. We can't even, like a dad, even like I have my mom and dad. Even they are not so close to me as him. He is an idol for me. He's everything for us.
आप कहते हो कि आपने जो भी कुछ सीखा गुरुजी से सीखा, गुरुजी ने समाज के लिए भी कुछ किया?
Yeah, there are so many welfare works like donating clothes, donating even in the school. Like I'll tell you one thing, in other schools you don't donate so many things. It's like everything is for show purpose. Here in every occasion we donate clothes, we give money, we give for charity purpose, we help the needy ones.
आज यहाँ फ्री आई कैंप लगा, किस तरीके से प्रोसेस, मतलब जो भी प्रोसेस, क्या प्रोसेस?
It's like कि there are people who can't afford. The adult people, I mean there are people who they can't afford, they want eyes there. So this is the camp where you get your checkup done for free. So you get eyes donated for free. So that is like, and I'm just doing my seva here.
आप जैसा कह रहे हो कि यहाँ पर फ्री आई चेकअप होते हैं और मतलब वो जिसकी आँखें नहीं है उनको लगाई भी जाती है, तो ये इतनी बड़ी मात्रा में जो डोनेट करता है
People here, I mean the seva, the volunteers. That is what I'm saying. No, you just think he is such a superior power. He is just a power. You can't get influence to someone unless you don't know the truth. So he is
इतना
like
मोटिवेट
attraction.
मोटिवेट करता कौन है?
Of course पापा जी, नो पिताजी, मतलब कि सेंट डॉक्टर।
अच्छा, कहीं ना कहीं जैसे मीडिया में ये सारी अफवाहें जो फैलाई हैं, कहीं ना कहीं आज लाखों लोग इस मुहिम जो आज फ्री आई कैंप है इसका फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं, मगर जो कि आज क्या कहना चाहोगे ऐसे मीडिया चैनलों को बंद करवाया जाए जो कि एक तरीके के समाज जो सेवा चल रही है उनको बंद करवाने का भी कार्य करते हैं?
Yeah, I don't get like heroines are there. You even go into their personal life and tell so much about them. Instead of that, you put more focus on these works. People who are just working for the welfare of this society. So you're going into some other things. Better it's like you concentrate on positive things. No, you give positivity to this world. Stop all this negativity.
वैश्यवृत्ति के लिए कुछ किया है जिन्हें रोकने के लिए?
Yeah, there are, I mean not so much I don't know about this, but I see, I don't want to discuss about this. I don't know so much about it. But yeah, I know that being a girl, I am like a daughter to him. And I don't think anything of this sort exists in this place.
जैसे कि आप समाज में आज गुरु जी हैं, तो क्या लगता है समाज को आज गुरु जी की जरूरत है, क्या प्रभाव पड़ रहे हैं समाज पर?
Of
गुरु जी के नाम
course, he is doing so many welfare works. This world at this, I mean, you feel so insecure. Outside you go, I mean, he was idol to us, first of all, I want to say this. And he is doing so much welfare work. If you will stop people who are doing good, there only will be people who will be left just who are giving negative energy to this world. So we need positivity, and he's the one who gives us that.
सरकार से
I just want to say that stop all these media channels who are providing us, who are influencing people into wrong direction.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। जैसा कि आपने देखा कि गुरुजी की यहाँ पे पढ़ने वाली एक छात्रा का ये बयान है कि गुरुजी के खिलाफ जो भी दिखाया मीडिया में बिल्कुल गलत दिखाया गया, और कहीं ना कहीं आज जो यहाँ पर फ्री आई कैंप लगा है उसका फ़ायदा आज बहुत लोग उठा सकते थे, मगर मीडिया के चलते, मीडिया की न्यूज़ के चलते लोग यहाँ पर नहीं आ पाए और वो जो फ़ायदा नहीं उठा पाए। तो इसका जिम्मेदार कौन है? जो अपनी राय है कमेंट बॉक्स में हमें जरूर लिखिएगा। बहुत बहुत